Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 17 of building the 1966 Batmobile from Fanhome and the Agostini, DC, Warner Brothers, Bat Empire, whoever owns everything. Yes, so in this issue we're continuing with our chassis build, although we've got a little self-contained sub-assembly to build first. True or false face? This is going to be false face, not Two Face. I don't know who false face is. But that's the baddie in this issue, this episode. I don't know if we've seen. Oh, there he is. I don't recognise him at all. There we go. Feel free to read all about it if you like. Look at the pretty pictures like I am if you don't. So there we go. That's all of that. Interesting stuff, I'm sure. For now, this is what we're doing. It's the roll bar. In this phase, you'll begin working on your Batmobile suspension system. Right, okay. So we've got a few parts to put together. Got bracket onto there, the bumper, apparently, and then the threading screw holes. Make sure the holes are good, and then we're attaching that to this part that we've got to end up with it like that. This is obviously where the wheels. This is going to be the suspension part, and where the wheel's going to attach onto there. So yeah, let's clear it out of the way. Let's get started. All right, as I say, no other accessories needed other than what we've got today. We shall first of all be fitting this little piece to the top there with two of these 8M screws. Through there. Last one aside for later potential use. Now, apologies for all of this being black against black. As you may be aware, I'm having enough trouble seeing things myself, let alone making sure you can see them. So basically, we've just got to line up the hole with the bracket. Yeah, let me some more magnification and indeed some more light onto the subject so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Using my visor, which I've got a video on showing you what it's all about if you'd like to have a look for that. So this is going to go in there. There are 3 holes in this piece that I'm attaching. 2 of them either side of a post and one that sticks off the side there like that. Make sure you get it the right way around. That one goes in there. That one goes in the other side. It goes in there. Feels better. There we go. That is that going in there. Make sure it's nice and secure. If you're building along with me, then do leave a comment. Let me know how far you're getting. If you're ahead of me, behind me, how you're enjoying the build. Even if you're not building along, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And you know, I read all the comments. I reply to most. It's always nice to keep in touch. It keeps feeding the YouTube algorithm as well, which is always nice to get more people finding the channel. So there we go, that's gone on there. Next up, we are going to be using, there's 2 of these screws, but I'm actually only going to use the one, because what we need to do is to thread it into both of these holes. Get that threaded in, basically to free up the thread and clear it of any paint or anything that's in there, or when we're going to be attaching things to it later. Going quite a way, because this is actually going to then attach on there. Actually, it's not as far in as I thought. It's only a little bit further than that. So let's get that in there. This side. This is the side that I'm not going to be doing anything with as yet. There we go. That's in far enough. So we'll now take that back out again. Do exactly the same on the other hole, the other side. So it goes in straight and square. That isn't quite. There is a thread in there already, so it's not exactly that we're cutting a thread, but we are making sure that the thread is properly usable. There we There we go, that looks better. So again, we'll get that tightened in as far as we need it to be. Feel like that wants to go in any further than that, and it will need to go just a little bit further than that for the other bit to attach into it. Probably just as well that we're doing this. There we go, that should be enough. So now we'll take this back out again. And then we're going to put it in one more time, but with this time with that in the middle there, like so. So this is going to go through that bit. Or if that's actually screwing through there, or if it's just not quite lining up right. There we go, let's start to come out the other side, and that's going into this side of this. So the curves are going upwards. I'll show you once I get it started. There we go. So it's going on there that way round. So whichever this is the front or right or left wheel, that's going to be part of the suspension piece. This is obviously going to be attached more securely to the body of the car. So that needs to be properly tightened. I shall worry about getting that down the last few turns. I think that might not be quite straight in there either. Try that again. Through there and through there. Straight this time, please. Better. Right, I shall get a slightly bigger screwdriver to do that in properly, but that's that. Another issue done. And for now, that's that. Join me next time when we're probably going to be doing the other same on the other side, but we'll find out in a minute. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.